Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to export Gmail contacts to CSV. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google, and of course when you're there, go to the top right corner and click on Gmail. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and export Gmail contacts to CSV. So first of all, go to Google Contacts, open Google Contacts in your browser. So I'll be giving you the link to Google Contacts, or you can just go and type in Google Contacts on your own. Then when you're here, choose the contact you want to export. You can select individual contacts or all of them. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot menu, then click on the export option. Choose Google CSV or Outlook CSV, depending on your needs. Click export and save the file to your computer. Once exported, you can open the CSV file in Excel or import it to another email service. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.